let's look at this one's got a bit of history with Hearns actually.
Has it? I like. I think everything's got a bit of history with Hearns. I've been here like long enough. Ah, this one, who's it kidding itself? It's only got a little bit of tape. I can fix that.
It's got the top.
This one's getting fingered
So not
by
only
BJ.
is this a vintage kit, okay, it's been around for a long time,
Le vintage.
but this is going to be a bit of history here because Jack Hearn, one of the Hearns brothers that started Hearns Hobbies,
Yep.
flew this in New Guinea. He flew boomerangs.
Flew boomerangs.
Yeah, towards the end of the war.
Yep. Do you want to have a look on the overhead?
Let's have a look.
Good overhead town.
Pretty tight, isn't it? Felt like a tiger.
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay, so I've got the boomerang. So this was
Why is it called boomerang? Was it Australian?
it was Australian.
Okay.
Yeah. So designed and built in Australia based on a what did they base it on? Was it a buffalo? No, a Texan? No. One of them. Someone will correct me on that one too.
I hope
Although
somebody.
I've been asking people to correct me and no one's correcting
I
me yet.
hope somebody knows what they're talking about. But you just blubbering away.
Yeah.
This is 1/72 scale, so it's only going to be little vintage classics.
But so with
Much like me.
the Hearns brothers were
Ooh.
all pilots in World War II. Jack
Ah,
Hearn, and he was a instructor. So
this looks like the kind of plane model I would build.
very classical. This is going back. This must be from the 60s, I'd say.
Really?
Yeah.
How nice is it?
Well, they're pretty good for that age.
It doesn't have flat tires though.
So flat tires is a very recent thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
But it does have really nice surface areas. No?
Yeah, surface detail's pretty good for.
Looks really
for old-
simple to build, but looks like great fun to paint.
Maybe I need to build one of these.
Yeah?
Yeah, as per Jack Hearn. So one of the stories from Jack.
Yep.
Towards the end of the war. So towards the end of the war, they allowed him to go up north.
Yep.
Okay, so he's
Well,
been an instructor for
Go
most
back
of
on
World
the
War
front
II.
one.
And then he's flying these in New Guinea. And as the Japanese were surrendering, he would fly to all the little islands and take the surrender notices from all the occupying Japanese.
Yep.
And one of the stories goes, he flew into one of the little islands. He's just by himself.
Yep.
Gets out with his pistol, and the commander comes up with his samurai sword and hands it over. So here's one Australian guy in one little piddly plane with a pistol against all these Japanese, and they've surrendered to him.
Well,
It's amazing.
That's respect,
Hmm.
isn't it?
It's amazing. But that shows a lot of guts from his part too. He's flying in by himself. He's got no backup.
Well, nobody else is going to fly in.
No. So there you go.
I'm all emotional now.
Oh yeah, there you go. There's a
I
boomerang.
don't know what to say.